Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a banned account on the application of Threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Threads and we click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will turn on or restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget